We love our guitars, so we want to take care of them, right? As every other instrument, machine or even tool, they need a good maintenance to perform as you would expect. But with a few adjustments, you can make it sound great. And for this task, I can't think of any better tools than this guitar set from Wera. So let's go through what comes in the box. Before we even look inside, we can appreciate that Wera gives so much attention even to designing the box. Here we can find many interesting information like the unique technologies used in the included tools. I like that they give unique names to each of them, like Take It Easy Tool Finder. I don't know, but it makes it more premium to me. Opening the box, we reveal the nylon carrying case. I'll come back to it in a moment. We also get a multi-language leaflet about the set, directions for the extra Velcro strap, and a sticker, a really nice sticker. Looking at the case, again, details. It feels so nice. So on logo and the guitar symbol, neat. On the back, you get the Velcro stripe for Wera To Go system and a small pocket. I use it for carrying strings. But remember, it's what's inside that matters. And here are all the tools, nicely organized and secured, just as I like it. And okay, let's face the elephant in the room, a Knipex tool in the Wera set. The Knipex cutters are handy mainly for cutting strings. The compact size compared to other Knipex pliers is a huge advantage when it comes to the portable set. And they are easy to use, as you'd expect. After all, it's Knipex. Let me show you. Remember, first, loosen the strings. Now it's a good idea to clean the body and check the potentiometers, especially on guitars with bigger pickboard like this one. To access them, I need to unscrew a few Phillips head screws. So pick the desired bit, Phillips 1 or 2 in this case, and insert it into the Kraftform handle. The Rapidaptor technology holds it firmly. As we can see, one is loose. So, using one of the color-coded Take It Easy sockets, I can screw it down. First, insert the adapter. Then unlock one of the sockets by twisting it counterclockwise and mount it. But the most irritating in guitar is a loose jack socket. In SG-style guitars, it's not that hard to fix, but for example Telecasters can be quite tricky. That's why this set comes with the input jacker. This very unique tool helps to keep the output socket in the right position while screwing it in or out. And it is made from the same high-quality inox steel as the rest of the set. The sockets are also useful for machine heads if you ever need to replace them. Now I can put on the new strings. To help me with that, I can use the string crank, which can be inserted into the Kraftform bit-holding screwdriver. Once you tune it, you can start the adjustments. The three crucial things are truss rod, bridge, and height of pickups. Let's start with the neck. Allen wrench keys in Imperial and metric system allow for a good fit in practically every model. In this particular one, I need to use size 4. Let's have a closer look on the unique design of those keys. Wera Hex Plus technology means that the sides of the tip are curved, so they are more robust and power transmission is improved. The other side is round, so it prevents from slipping out. Adjust the neck by rotating the truss rod clockwise to make it more curved or counterclockwise to straighten it. To make those adjustments more precise, you can use the feeler gauge. This table shows you the recommended distances on the middle fret. A pro tip: take the measurements in the playing position to counteract the gravity. For adjusting the bridge, use one of those dedicated bits. Very wide slotted 1.8 by 12 is especially handful in Gibson guitars. For regulating the individual saddle on the Fender guitars, you can use this small 0.05 hex bit. But of course, different guitars have differently designed bridges. That's why you get so many bits and keys. With this set, you are covered. For regulating height of the pickups, again, use dedicated screwdriver bit. The most common is Phillips one. The last tool included in the set is hidden in this metal box. The original Wera guitar picks. I don't think you can get them anywhere else. So, let's have a quick test ride, shall we? So, who is this set for? If you own one or two guitars, you will get along with standard, even cheaper tools. This Wera set is for everyone who cannot be let down at any time. If you're working with a band as a technician and you're on the tour, or you're a collector who wants to maintain own guitars with care, it's not a budget option, but for sure, it's the highest reliable quality. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.
Dobra.
47. Allow for a good fit.